What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Butterfly. Today we're going to do something that might seem like a little bit of a cop-out, but I wanted to illustrate something for you guys. And this is a very good drink that you're going to like. The thing is that it's a simple drink. And also, on top of being a simple drink, it is illustrating sort of a point. I don't want to call it an advanced technique because it's not really an advanced technique, but it is like very, very simple molecular gastronomy, which, you know, as we've talked about a lot on this channel, 50% of making cocktails is the way that you perceive it when you drink, before you drink it. You know, you drink with your eyes first, and if it looks like crap, it's going to taste worse than something that looks like $1 million and is actually kind of mediocre. Because that first impression is so important. So what I did is I used a little bit of this blur. Again, with the Marius likes to do this thing where he goes like this. And what this is supposed to mean is that I'm supposed to remind you guys to hit the 4 pillars of YouTube algorithm. So basically the 4 pillars of YouTube algorithm is you guys doing me a favor. I do this for you and give you all this information for free. And what you do for me is you, as Graham Stephan, my good friend, likes to say, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And then after I've given you this brilliant advice, you comment, even if it's mean. Comment, because the algorithm likes it and it helps us out. Yeah. All right, can I get back to the episode now?
Yeah, I mean, I would like to not have to remind you, but there you go.
You see, guys, this is the thing. We were just having a discussion today, actually, with Alfred from Stagger Lee Goods, who is visiting us, about my quote-unquote mean sense of humor. But you saw it. Marius brings it upon himself, and I am just really trying to control myself at this moment. It's true, I am. All right, are you ready?
Yes.
You're gonna interrupt anymore?
Nope.
All right, cool. So basically what I did, now that we've done everything that Marius thinks that we should do.
Well, we didn't promote free pour, but that's okay. Do it at the end.
You know what? Do you realize how many people are like, tutorial starts at 4:09, tutorial starts at 6:12? You know why? Because they hate this, like. All right, okay. I'll just promote free pour just to make you happy because I'm only concerned with your happiness, as you can see. So free pour is a new channel that we, and by I mean Marius, myself, and my dog Lily have started. And it's a little bit different than the stuff that we have on Butterfly. What we have on Butterfly is more cocktail oriented, and the stuff that's going on free pour is going to be a little bit cooler, a little bit looser, kind of like free pouring for a bartender. It's a little looser, it's messier, it's cooler. Your drinks aren't as they're not as exacting, I guess, as your drinks are when you jigger pour. But you know, it's a little bit, you know, you're a little cool when you do that. It's like hanging out in a rock and roll bar. And that's sort of what we're doing. So we're gonna have our book reviews are going over there, which a lot of people like. If you want those, just go over there and hit subscribe. But we also got some good like distillery visits, travel stuff, vlog stuff. I don't know, maybe we'll go up and look at Stagger Lee Goods inside his natural habitat and show you how these awesome aprons come together. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So you should go over there and subscribe if you want that content. Now, before my ice just melts into nothingness, I'm gonna show you this cocktail. It is what I call a Galaxy G&T, and what we've done here is we've taken this blur, which is Butterfly Pea extract. Butterfly Pea is a tea flower found in Asia, and what happens to it, which is pretty cool, is it comes out blue, but when you change the pH with something like lime juice or lemon juice, it changes color. So this is like a color changing gin and tonic. So I'm gonna pop a couple of these out, all right? I put about 2 little dropperfuls in each little, I guess, chamber of the silicone ice tray, and then filled it up with water. And we have this nice these blue ice cubes. So we're just gonna put them in here. This is gonna be one of the easiest cocktails I have ever made on this channel, seriously. There you go, fill it up, all right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice. And what's cool is that even though we're just doing half an ounce of lime juice by itself, this extract actually has cane sugar in it. So it will, as it melts, sweeten it a little bit more and balance this lime juice out. So we're just gonna pour the lime juice on there. And as you can see, as I pour it, it changes color from bluish purple to like a very light purplish pink. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of gin. Just put that over there as well. And then we are gonna add tonic of our choice. I'm actually using Yuzu tonic today from East Imperial. But you can use any type of tonic you want. And we're just gonna add that on top. And I'm gonna actually pour it on the ice so I can get that color change going. And there you have it, the Galaxy Highball. I think, or a Galaxy G&T or a Galaxy Highball. I think that it's really beautiful. Let's taste it. Oh yeah, actually, you know, the cane sugar comes out and mixes with that lime juice pretty readily. So the lime juice is still very tart and making it tart. And obviously we used yuzu tonic, so that's gonna have some nice tart elements to it, but it's actually not overly tart. Kind of reminds me of a Ricky. Maybe we should change the name of this to a Galaxy Ricky. That doesn't sound good. Does that sound good, Marius? Galaxy Ricky as opposed to like a maybe Galaxy Highball I like better, even though it's just a G&T. But it's nice, look at that. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Butterfly Pea, does it have a flavor? Does it have a taste to it?
No, Butterfly Pea does not have any flavor whatsoever. This has a little flavor because there's a little cane sugar in it, but that's it. It's good. Yeah. So there it is, guys. Galaxy Highball. You saw it here first. And if you didn't see it here first, you have obviously been on the internet. Anyway, if you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe and check us out on Patreon, patreon.com/educatedbarfly. I'm feeling a little pressured now because Alfred is standing right to my left. And I have to just tell you, if you want to look as sexy as I do in these amazing aprons, check out staggerleegoods.com. And we have a discount code, BarflySLG20 at checkout. Gives you 20% off on your, is it your entire order or just the apron order?
Any apron order.
Any apron order. You saw it here first. I'll see you guys on another time. Who's ringing the bell?